Tim malason husi funda vai.
Backstage because you will be performing after the hot stone 3 KCS zone.
Ingay pit lipo ko ilik sa pangcheng lipo ko.
Rajkhan ni ba? Hindi lang naman.
Take off your zone. If you prepare yourself, you are requested and informed to report here.
Ingat juga apa ya?